Father, in the name of Jesus,
Yes, Lord.
I thank you for these very special people. People that you have given wisdom and intelligence. People that are ready to exchange and to lose their lesser light for the greatest light. The light that was in existence before the physical light was formed. The knowledge that is beyond knowledge. Information that is the foundation. Upon the rest of the information is laid upon. Father, I ask that you help them comprehend. You help them store this information. And let not any bird of the air come and pick the seed that has fallen to the ground. I am praying that with this information now and this illumination in their mind, every seed within their belly will begin to germinate towards this light.
Yes.
Whoever told them that they were poor, that was wrong information. But you told them that they are rich and they are blessed. And that seed from this moment, let that seed respond to this light, to this light, to this information, this light, this light, this light. Stop being afraid of things that are afraid of you. Creation is waiting for your manifestation. You have the power. What you have been sending God to go out there and do for you, you can do it for yourself and you can do it for God. The power is within you, child of God. Do not be afraid. Be strong. Be courageous. He said, because I have overcome the world. He overcame all the systems of the world.
Yes.
Whether you have a matter in the courts, those are worldly systems. Be of good cheer. He has overcome. Whatever you are facing in your life right now, whether it's debt, people are coming after you from every direction. Oh, child of God, hear me. Hear me. What the devil is trying to do is to make everything around you control you. But let us turn the tables upside down. It's time that you take over charge. You are now in control of the steering. You have to control your feelings. Things will begin to be run according to your terms. In your atmosphere, there shall no longer be any rage, any bitterness. You can create the joy that is required by your heart in the name of Jesus. Don't be afraid. Don't be afraid. Don't be afraid. Control your atmosphere. Manage it. 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 Spirits on the earth in physical bodies are in charge. Take over your position, child of God. Until then, we meet again. Bless you. Bless you.